All right, YouTube. I came out. Okay, I'm looking at my remote. It's sitting right there. I came out to the water after I got off work and got a little bit of rain. But the forecast said it wasn't nothing but a pop-up, so I figured I put the rain suit on and we'll see if we can fish till a little bit after dark. I've been out here for about an hour now. 6:30. Been out for about an hour. Well, that ain't a big fish. That's a small one. She ain't big. I'm not looking for these today. I ain't got a lot of time to pick with you. So I need the mamas to come and get her. Where's your mama? Where's your mama? God dog it. Broke off my line. Shoot. Now I gotta waste time tying my line. All right, man. I think I got some more rods underneath there. I'm gonna tie this way. We go get my 6-footers. That's a better fish. Come on here, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And that was gonna make 11. She gonna make 11. Well, maybe she's 10.5. Maybe not quite 11, but we're gonna put her in the bucket. She gonna make the cut. What is happening, YouTube? Here we go, here we go, here we go. I said it. Today's another one of these days that ended in Y. I said that I got off work and had to come out here and try and get a couple fish. So I ain't got much to say. Work is getting in the way of my fishing right now. But I got to keep gas in the Crappie assault vehicle, and I got to keep lights on at the house for Lady Drysdale. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody who watches the channel, everybody who hits the like button, and everybody who leaves those comments. So, let's see how we do on this episode of Crappie Fish with Drysdale. Let's go get them. She might make the cut. She might look a little small. She might be about 10 inches. She probably 10 inches, but at this point, because I ain't got that much time, I'm keeping 10s today. Chase me up. That's another 10. Said, no, waiting on me. She was waiting on me. Came up aggressive and sat there and waited on me to set the hook on you, didn't you? You're lucky you're little. You're lucky you're little. Otherwise, I'd be keeping you. You ain't gonna make it. You on out here now. Get. I should have kept her. Got some people want some fish. bad one either. Oh, this one's bigger than the other ones. It's a little bigger than the other ones. Oh, get in here. She gonna make 11. She gonna make. No, she ain't gonna make 12. She might be 12. Might be a Big Shirley, qualified Big Shirley today. She got a concussion now. Hit her head on the bucket. Well, I done got myself another keeper. I got a few fish so far. I think that's 3 in the bucket, maybe 4. If I catch me 10 before it get dark, I'm good. This makes 4. They all 10 and a half inches. They gonna fry up, but I'll be looking for bigger ones if I had more time. I'm just trying to catch them. Protect, and lead. Hey Siri, call Nikki. Got to that time. That's a good fish. That was a good fish. Come here, girl. Oh, come here, girl. Ooh, mine broke off into that water. Right over the boat. Now you're gonna spit my jig out. I'm gonna spit my jig in the water after you done got caught. Too late for you. Oh, concussion. All right, YouTube, you can see I'm running out of daylight, and I done sat on a hole of dinks. I got probably about 8 fish in the live well. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So thanks for watching, everybody. I don't get to fish as much as I used to, like I said, but when I do, I try and get out here. When I have time, I try and get out here. So as always, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate everybody who watches the channel, everybody who hits that comment, leaves some comments, and everybody who hits that like button. To my subscribers, my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support of this channel. To my new subscribers, welcome to the Drysdale family. And if you just happen to be scrolling through YouTube and you came across this channel, or if somebody recommended this channel to you and you haven't already done so, go ahead and hit that button right there to subscribe to the channel, along with that bell right there, so that you get notified when I post new videos of me and whoever I might be fishing with, catching more of these evil but sure enough tasty. This one's a baby, so get on out of here and don't get. So until the next time, folks, remember, the best days to go fishing are the ones that end in Y. Drysdale out.